In today's Rocky Mountain ATV MC how-to video, we're going to show you how to install a Tusk Top Rack on your Honda CRF300L. If you own a CRF300L and need a way to carry some additional luggage with you, the Tusk Top Rack is a perfect way to do that. You can run this with or without panniers. We have a separate video on how to install the pannier rack, so if that's something you're looking to do, go ahead and check out that video. But for now, this top rack by itself is really simple to install, so let's go ahead and get started. For parts, we have our top rack kit. This comes with the necessary brackets and hardware to get it installed. For tools, you're going to need a 13mm socket along with 4 and 6mm Allens. We're going to start out by removing these 4 longer bolts in the back. So 2 of them are going into the seat and 2 are going into the subframe. We're using our 6mm Allen for that. And these bolts will not be reused, but we are going to reuse these spacers behind the bolts. The next step is to install the mounting bracket. There's a right and a left side. So this longer section, that's going to face towards the front of the machine with the 2 bends facing up above the fender. Now for the mounting hardware, you have 2 different sizes of spacers and bolts. The shorter spacer and bolt are going to go into the seat or that front mounting location. The rear spacer and bolt are going to go into the back at the subframe. And when you install all this, don't forget to install the original spacers in their original locations. So we'll do the front mount first. We've got the short bolt going through it, the shorter spacer, and the OE spacer. And when we thread these bolts in, we're just going to leave them slightly loose so we can make adjustments. The longer bolt through the back, longer spacer, and the OE spacer. Then we'll do those same steps on the other side. Now we're going to set the top rack in place. We're going to line up the 4 mounting locations and we'll install the 4 countersunk bolts. And I'm going to use a 10mm combo wrench to help me get the nuts installed on the back side. And once you have everything loosely installed, you can go back through and tighten down all of the hardware. And whenever possible, you want to do your final tightening with the wrench. And that's all it takes to install the Tusk Top Rack on your Honda CRF300L. If you need one of these, make sure you pick it up on our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. And if you have any questions about it, leave those down in the comments below. And you also want to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.